Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, MBA graduate. So these two departments can make use of it. The name of the company is IEC Air Tools Private Limited. I will be giving the link in the description so that once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website. If not, also you can type IEC Air Tools Private Limited in Google, and when you give a search means you will be getting following result. Here you need to choose career so that you will be directed to the career page of the company. Choose careers, so you will be directed to the official website. This is the official website of the company, and they are hiring professional with a combination of technology and domain expertise at various positions. So they are also recruiting freshers. So they are looking for a enthusiastic, self-driven, analytical and solution oriented people, so that you can bring out many changes in the company and solve all the problem very easily. So below you can find many latest opening jobs, so whichever is convenient and applicable for you, you can apply for it. The first one is assistant sales manager, and date of posting is 23/12/2021. Job location is in Delhi. Who and all can apply is those are having diploma or degree, BE degree in mechanical engineering or BSc physics or MBA marketing with experience of 5 to 8 years in industrial means you can apply for it. Job vacancies, number of vacancies 1. Next one is commercial executive. Job location in Pune. Who can apply is any graduate with MBA international business preferred with 3 to 4 years experience can apply for it, and number of job posting is 1. Service engineer. So job location is PSO, Pune. Who can apply is those who are having ITI in electrical fitter, diploma in mechanical engineering with 2 or 3 years experience can apply, and you must be able to prepare the service and prepare the estimate and coordinate the materials required. Number of vacancies 1. Next is trainee production engineer in Pimpri. Who can apply is diploma or BE in mechanical with 1 or 2 years experience in manufacturing means will be added advantage. If you also having knowledge of CNC programming, grinding, milling means well and good. Number of vacancies 1. And this is assistant manager production in Pimpri. Who can apply is those having diploma or BE in mechanical with 8 to 10 years of experience in manufacturing industrial product can apply. If you are having knowledge of CNC programming, grinding, milling means it's an added advantage. Number of vacancies 1. Next is design engineer, and job location is in Pimpri. Who can apply is those are having diploma or BE in mechanical with 2 or 3 years of experience in designing of jigs and fixtures and added knowledge in AutoCAD SolidWorks means well and good. Number of vacancies 1. So I have just listed various jobs and qualification and number of vacancy. So those who are interested can fill the details. So if you are interested, send your resume in the following format for their reference. So number of which post you are going to apply, what is your name, and what is your years of experience, where you currently work, your mail ID and your contact number, expected salary, and also you need to attach your resume in PDF format. So after that you need to enter the captcha and give a submit. So just fill all the details. So once you fill means they themselves will calling you or making contact with you through your registered mail ID and registered phone number, so that you can go for an interview and attend the interview and get selected too. So if you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video to mechanical graduate. They will be making the best use of it. So both freshers and experienced people can make use of it. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.